Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to be shopping the 2025 fall trends, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. First trend we're going to be shopping for is Town and Country chic. These are heritage checks and plaids, full skirts, luxurious outerwear, equestrian details that evoke the English countryside. This whole line from Free Assembly, I feel like, fits that. So this dress has the thicker strap, scoop neckline, zip with the belt. That same kind of fit through the back. Also has the matching blazer. This one has that smaller collar, lapel, completely lined, relaxed through the wrist. And then the same fit through the back. And then if you didn't want to do the dress, they also have a skirt with the belt, the little pleats, side zip. And then that same fit through the back. I feel like this cardigan is like perfect for that countryside look. This one has the ruffled neckline, full button, 2-pocket, the little detailed wrist. And this green also comes in the blue, and they're $26. Also new Henley sweaters from Free Assembly. These have the smaller collar, has a little bit longer sleeve. It is a little ballooned with the ribbed bottom. And then the same fit through the back, and these are $24. Striped Henley sweater also comes in a brown and white stripe. New corduroy skirt from Time and True. This one has the button zip, the little slit on the front, pockets on the back. Is about like a knee length. New puff sleeves cardigans from Time and True. These have that V neckline, the ribbed wrists, a pointel, crochet knit. In the ivory also comes in this, it's like a beigey gray. There's green and blue, and they'll be linked down below. Oak jacket from Scoop. So this has that corduroy collar, has the snap buttons with the zipper button on the wrist. You can make it a little tighter. 2 flat pockets, and then really good length in the back with the same detail. And it looks like they don't have prices at the store. The new wrap dresses from Time and True. So this has that hook and eye closure, the little tie, elastic on the wrist, the little wrap bottom. In the green print with elastic going through the back. Also comes in this blue and black leopard, and they're $19.98. New dresses from Celebrity Pink. It has that elastic neckline, this little tie, elastic on the wrist, dropped here. Same kind of fit through the back in this blue floral. Also comes in the brown, and they are going to be, I think these are $24.50. Ruffle boots from Time and True. So these have a rounded toe, chunky heel, this little ruche detailing, zipper on the inside, and they're $32. Also new boots from No Boundaries. These have that square toe, has the cap, side zip. Is this new little drop tier plaid dress from NYC. It has the thin strap, square neckline, little drop tier, and then it's squared in the back, nice and stretchy, lined on the inside in the pink, and then also comes in the black with the gray, and they're $19.50. Next, we're shopping for Boho. This top from Jessica Simpson reminds me so much of a Chloe top, the Isabel Marant tops. These have that high neckline, ruffle, bell sleeve, relaxed fit. It is a little sheer, which is another trend with the little button detail. And they are going to be $26. Right next to it, they restocked the flare jeans from Jessica Simpson. So these look like they're a high rise. They have the whiskering. My favorite bootcut jeans other than the Sophia. And then the same fit through the back. And these are $24. New bell sleeve dress from Time and True. So these have that high neckline, side seam detail, tiers with the tier at the bottom. Very like Isabel Marant, Chloe, look for less. Also comes in that light blue. Also new long sleeve blouse from Time and True. This one has the plunging V, the tortoise buttons, that lace detail with the elastic. Same fit through the back in the burgundy. Also comes in the beige, and they're $19.98. New hooded sweatshirts from Time and True. So these have that French terry, has the crochet sleeve, the ribbed wrist, relaxed fit, the kangaroo pocket, with the hood in the back. In the rust also comes in the beige, and they're $22.98. Those shoes from Time and Tru, so they have these mules. They have that platform front, the little buckle, chunky heel. These are $28.98. Flutter sleeve sweaters from Time and Tru. These have that crew neckline, the flutter sleeve, more of a boxy fit in the black, beige and black, and the navy with the ivory trim. And they'll be linked down below. Also comes in this rust. A new color in this dolman top from Time and Tru. It has that crew neckline, this little stitch detailing, Henley buttons, like a boxy fit with that seam through the back. Now in this blue, it's almost like a denim. I don't want to say chambray because I know I get people mad when I say that, but I think it's just blue. Yeah, it's just like a blue dyed fabric. There it is in that ivory. Next, we're shopping for Eclectic Minimalism. This is subtle and unexpected tweets like asymmetry, exaggerated proportions, interesting layering, and they elevate basic garments and create a unique and minimalist look. So I feel like this top from Time and Tru is perfect for that. It has the square neckline, this ruche detailing, super stretchy, really good basics in the blue, black, pink, and brown. And they are going to be $11.98. Has that cowl neckline open through the back in the red, also comes in black, and they are $9.98. It's from Free Assembly. It has a little tie side seaming, elastic wrist, a little shorter through the front, and then the same fit through the back. Comes in the pink, also in the green, and they'll be linked down below. I feel like there's another basic that fits the trend. These are from Time and Tru. Ribbed, stretchy through the body, oversized puff sleeve, same fit through the back. In the green, also comes in black. There's blue and ivory, and they're $14.98. Also in the basic pieces with some structure. This one's from Sophie. It has the little ruching at the neckline, ruching on the side, super soft and stretchy in the ivory, and then also in black. Then they also have these new flutter sleeve tops from Time and Tru. These have that high neckline, flutter sleeve, ribbed and stretchy. These are always a favorite in my outfit ideas. So they have navy and rust. I'm pretty sure they also have some other colors online. And I'm pretty sure they're like under $12. New tie front tops from Time and Tru. This one has that ruched neckline, the little ruching on the side, tie detail with the peplum. Has that same fit through the back in the blue, rust, ivory, and black. And these are going to be $14.98. The neckline, elastic, little peplum in the black. Also comes in that rust floral. And they'll be linked down below. Preppy's back for fall. These are sneak peek sweaters from No Boundaries. They have that V neckline, drop sleeve, the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. This is the large, so it is oversized. Comes in the burgundy. They both say 83. Also in the navy. The varsity jacket from Free Assembly. This one has that ribbed collar, snap buttons, completely lined. Has that ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. And then that same fit through the back. So in stores, they only have green, but I did see that they had navy online. The new color in this tube top and pant set from No Boundaries. So this is a French terry material. Has a smocking in the back, pull-on, sweatpant, wide leg. In the blue and white stripe, also comes in the black and white, and the two pieces are $19.98. Also, sneak peek longer length cardigans from No Boundaries. So these are ribbed, stretchy, long length with the slit. Has that pocket through the front, the ribbed wrist in the gray and white stripe. And then they also come in the navy and blue stripe. Polo tops from No Boundaries. So these have the smaller collar, Henley button, drop sleeve, ribbed wrists, and nice kind of sweatshirt material with the slits on the side. That same kind of fit through the back. It's more oversized. And these are $16.98. So I have this new dress from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, button on the wrist, little drop tier, and then the seam in the back. And these are going to be linked down below. Mule loafers from Time and Tru. These have the square toe, oversized gold buckle, chunky heel in the black, also in the cognac. And they're $24.98. Loafers from Earth Spirit. These have the round toe, little toggle, almost completely flat, and these are $28. Instead of butter yellow, we're switching it out for camel. These are new from Free Assembly. They're high rise, 2 front pockets, nice stretchy material. They are cropped, wide leg through the front, and then they also have pockets in the back. That's from Terran Sky. So this is their plus line. It has a boxy tee in the gold, also comes in the purple and blue. They are $8.98. And then how good are these shorts? They're pull on. It's a waffled material. In the gold, there's gray, blue, and green, and the shorts are $14.98. A dress from Time and True. So this one has the thicker strap, that squared neckline, smocky in the waist with the drop tier, seam through the back. In the gold, also comes in leopard. There's this green floral, and they are going to be $22.98. Also in the camel, like there's more of like a goldy kind of camel, are these dresses from Time and True. They have that high neckline, sleeveless texture, that swing style. These are only $9.98. And then they also have the tier dresses in this new color. So they have that scoop neckline, tiers, flowy, and these are also on sale for $9.98. They also come in this blue, black, rust. There's green and navy. These and bodysuits from Time and True. So this one has that high neckline, sleeveless, fuller back, in the white, black, and tan. And then they have in the T style, also has the fuller back, in the white and black. Also, sneak peek dress from Free Assembly. So this has the elastic bow through the sleeve. Actually, I think we saw this maybe in brown, but it has the extra little details with the drop tier, and then the same fit through the back. Also, lots of new head-to-toe denim pieces. This one's a sneak peek item from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, full buttons, 2 flat pockets, with the button on the wrist, more of a boxy fit with the seam in the back. And then this does match back to the skirt we saw. It's pull-on, has that elastic waistband, drawstring with the pleating, fit and flare out, and then the seam through the back. Sneak peek denim dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the thicker strap, scoop neckline, zip, the seams through the whole front, and then pockets with the same fit through the back. New oversized denim jackets from Jessica Simpson. So they have the smaller collar, full button, 2 flat pockets, button on the wrist, has the oversized fit, and these are going to be $32.50. So this new raw hem denim jacket, like shacket from Jessica, from Sophia. So it has the smaller collar, full button, has this raw hem at the bottom, 2 flat pockets with the button on the wrist, the seam in the back, and then look at that little buckle detail. And these are going to be $32. Peak denim vest from Time and True. So this has that scoop neckline, sleeveless, oversized buttons, fit and flares out, and then that same fit through the back. And they don't have the tag. These are new item. This is the first store I'm seeing them in. And they also come in the ivory. It's like the ivory has these gold copper buttons, and then the denim has these tortoise buttons. And right next to that, similar style skirt, but it's in a denim material. Has the button zip, belt loops, fit, flare, really pretty seam detail. How pretty is this denim? Has like a paisley print, and then really nice seam detail in the back. And then right above that, oh, we got a price on this one. So it's a little top. Has that hourglass kind of fit and flare out. And then the back has a zipper, and this material is so good. These are going to be $26. Also in the denim are these jackets. Has the smaller collar. I like the buttons on these. They open and close really nicely. The button detail on the wrist and the seam in the back, and the acid wash blue, and then also in the black. For what I'm seeing, I know they're saying that skinny jeans are going to be back, but I'm seeing mostly wide leg jeans. These are new from No Boundaries. They're high rise pockets, whiskering, flowy through the leg, and then elastic through the back. Next to that we have the cargo wide leg. So these look like these are also high rise. They have the pork chop pocket, side pocket, flowy through the leg, also has the elastic through the back in this light denim. And then it also comes in this camo. Also new denim from Celebrity Pink. So this is the wide leg. Has this seam detail, the little heart button, and then the V design in the back. I think these are usually about 21. Barrel leg jeans from Free Assembly. These are high rise. They have the pockets. They come in at the leg, the ankle, and then pockets on the back. They also have that same seam detailing through the back. And they are going to be no price, so they'll be linked. Maybe they had on the tag. No, they took it off. These new jogger style jeans from Madden NYC. So these are high rise. They have the seam detail, flat pockets through the leg. You could do jogger or straight leg with the little ties. And then the back has pockets. Comes in the green, also in black. It's like a true black denim. These look like a really good Free People look for less. Actually, those aren't them. This is the black. It's the same kind of material. The cargo pants are $19.50, and then they have these barrel leg jeans. These look really good. These look like Free People. So these have the 2 front pocket. Really nice seam detail. Comes in at the ankle, and then elastic in the back with pockets. And they are $21.50. So have lots of new chocolate brown pieces. This is a new dress from No Boundary. So they brought this back. I actually have it in white for spring. So now they brought it back in the brown. It has a thicker strap, square neckline, that seam detail. This one's so nice, comfortable, stretchy. And then they also brought it back in the black, and they're only $12.98. So new sneak peek corduroy skirts from Time and True. Button, zip, side pocket, that seam detailing with pockets in the back, and these are $17.98. Some more colors in this Henley top from Time and True. This has that crew neckline, half snap, fitted through the wrists. In the beige, also comes in brown, the pink, and black, and they're $9.98. So first basic we're shopping for are cardigans. These are new from Time and True. They have that nice longer length, the 2 front pockets, ribbed wrists, nice length in the brown, also in the burgundy. There's black and gray, and they'll be linked down below. So in the brown are these new rib dresses from Time and True. They have that scoop neckline, drop sleeve, the little slit. So brown and blue are both like the same kind of texture, and then burgundy and black are like more of a thicker, tightly ribbed material, and they're both $15.99. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.